we're going to be using this little birdhouse, but we're going to make a beehive. So all I did is I popped the little piece off the front. I just took that out because we're going to completely cover that with some jute. I've got my hot glue ready. We are going to be using, this is just the natural jute. You know what I'm going to do first? We're going to paint. We're going to paint our roof. Let's find us a brush. And I'm just going to use the Waverly chalk paint in the color ink, just black. And I'm just gonna, we have our hot glue, hot glue today. I just wanted to put a little bit of that on the end where we're gonna get it started. Okay. I think I'm gonna start it right there. The very back edge here. And I don't think we'll need hot glue for every single pass on it, but for sure getting it started, I want to make sure that the glue is all the way around. So that's, y'all, I think it's the black, there we go. That's what we're doing. Y'all look. It's trying to focus. There we go. Okay. I believe that is the last we're going to get right there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Right. Come on. Right there. Okay. So we ran the twine all the way up as far as we could get it, you know, with the sides. So we're just going to cut it in strips. But I'm not going to cut it until we get it down. So we're bringing it straight across, right to that corner. And this is what I mean about coming back in. And we might have to boy this or not. And like I said, you can take hot glue right there at your edge just to keep it from unraveling. Okay, well, I thought this might be a little more difficult, but it isn't. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so here is our little beehive. So now we are actually going to form our little opening of our hive. Okay, so I just cut a piece and I'm just gonna start this little circle here. All right, so we formed our little opening there. We're just gonna take some black paint and we're gonna just fill that in. Okay, there's our little hole on our hive. Now, let me show you. Okay, I cut all kind of ribbon and stuff. We're going to do a big bow up here. We're going to be adding our bling and probably some greenery sparkles on it. It's sparkly. I love this stuff. We're going to be using that as the base of our bow, and then I just cut several neutrals. And if we need to trim it, great. I want it to be big, a little obnoxious. That's just what I'm going for. So I'm actually just going to come in and tie it off. There is our little fun whimsy bow. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that on there because listen, that is looking really cute. Let me get some. Okay, I am gonna trim these center ones up some. And I'm thinking I may do something with that, but I'm going to add our bling. I love this one. We're gonna put that big, beautiful bee. Oh my goodness, okay. Y'all, is that not too sweet? Okay, now I did grab some greenery because I did want to kind of pop some greenery throughout our bow. I think that's looking really sweet. Maybe one more. So there's the little greenery in there. What do y'all think? We've got this super okay, we have this tiny little bee. Look at the dragonfly. Isn't that so sweet? So I thought about sticking the dragonfly just kind of up here. Like that. It's just that extra little something. And that is the beauty of Totally Dazzled. It's just that perfect finishing touch on something.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.